peoples of the YouTube, I should probably play in headphones. So I lent my video camera out to someone, so I'm direct uploading. Quick hands. Quick hands. And my phone isn't working, so that's what's new with me. Ooh, I got a quilt. Oh. And I'm going to a baseball game today. That's I don't know. You guys know how I feel about that. Well, this is so pretty. I'm wearing my pink scarfy thing today. It's really pretty, I like it. And that's really it. I need to talk for a couple more seconds. Yay! A couple more seconds talking. Because it has to be over 1 minute. I did not do my little intro thing. I kind of forgot what it was. Actually, I'm gonna go research it. See if I can play it for you. My videos, please. You're a dictator, Josh. I'm a dictator, Josh.
Hey, you guys. It's Wednesday, and I'm beginning the EBB.
It's Thursday today.
Epic Vlog Battle. Theme music. We got a theme music. Every little theme music. EBB.
Okay, there you go. That's some theme music for you. Yeah, I'm almost at 2 minutes. I'm excited. Okay, so for my we're doing a biology project, and it's on biomes, and me and Miranda are doing the rainforest. So here's some jungle rainforest sound effects. Okay, there we go. Yes, past 2 minutes. How lovely is that? Goodbye.